If you're facing heating issues with your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure you use Apple's original charging cable and adapter with your iPhone. Because if you use a charger which is not supported from Apple, it could damage your iPhone. Also, make sure not to use your iPhone while it is charging, because if you do that, it will cause the heating issue. But if you're using your iPhone normally and if your iPhone is overheating, then just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the recent apps section. And from here, just close all the apps which are running in the background. After you do that, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Background App Refresh. Now from here, just disable all the apps which you don't want to run in the background. You can only leave system apps and social media apps if you want them to refresh in the background. For an example, you can leave Instagram and WhatsApp. Now finally, if you use your iPhone in direct sunlight with full brightness, this will cause the overheating issue. So avoid using your phone in direct sunlight. But if you have done all that, but if none of these worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the heating issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.